Hello, students. Let us start our EVS 2 period with a beautiful thought. The actions of men are the best interpreters of their thoughts. Students, in the previous period, we have seen formation of earth and also beginning of life on earth. Now let's see animal world on earth. Animal world on earth. The living world on earth consists of plants and animals. It is divided into plants and animals. So these are the two main categories of living world on the earth. This year in EVS 2 we shall take into account the animal world only. So let us see the main characteristic of animals. First, animals breathe. All animals inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. This process is called breathing. In the first picture, you can see the human figure of breathing is given. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Same with the other animals also. All the animals living on the earth, they inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. In the next picture, we can see the different ways of breathing. The picture of spider is given and a lung, pink colored lungs you can see. Then hen is given, a chicken. The lungs are shown again in pink. Caterpillar, fish. So all these animals have different kinds of lungs. Caterpillar can breathe with the help of those dots we can see, spiracles, and the fish have the gills to breathe under the water. So every living animal breathe. This is the main characteristic of animal, and by nature they are provided with the different organs through which they can breathe. Second, animals move in order to get food or other purpose such as for habitat, that is in search of shelter, for protection from predators, that means from enemies whosoever attacks them. For example, small herbivorous animals are attacked by the carnivorous, such as deers are attacked by the tiger, lion. So in this way, protection from predators also, they need to move. They move to survive the extreme weather conditions also. So we have seen many a times that many migratory birds are there, fishes also, for various reasons they move from place to place, and other animals also. Extreme weather condition, it can be hot temperature, very hot temperature, to save themselves from that, or extremely cold temperature also. Accordingly they will migrate, they are moving from one place to another. So the second characteristic is animals move. Third, here again picture I have given the animal movement. Now these are the various categories of animal. First, animals that fly. So we can see various kinds of birds and insects who fly. So in this way they move from one place to another. In the second, animals that walk or run, like the animals shown in picture: tiger, elephant, even dogs, cat, humans also. Animals that swim, these are the animals, aquatic animals, so they swim in the water, and that is the movement. So underwater, by swimming they move from one place to another. And in the fourth picture, animals that crawl, that means all those are crawling: crocodile, lizard, tortoise, all such animals, those who are crawling. So they move by crawling from one place to another. Third characteristic is animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of the eggs. So in the pictures various, you can see tortoise coming out of the eggs. Even the snake is laying eggs. Here the birds, hen and the other bird are also laying eggs in the nest. So their young ones are born out of those eggs. They give the eggs, they hatch it for some time. That means they take care of those eggs for specific time, and then they are hatched. That means the young ones come out of the eggs. And the fourth characteristic of animals, whereas other species give birth to their young ones. Some animals we have seen that they are hatched. That means they are born out of the eggs. And the other species, other types are they directly give birth to the young ones. Like we human, we are directly born to our parents. Here are the some picture where the young ones are born. That means birth is given directly to the young one, like cats, dog, elephant, zebra, cow, buffalo, all these including human. So these are the characteristics of animals. So once again, let us see, revise what are the characteristics. First is animal breathe. Second, animal move in order to get food or the other purposes. Third, animals of some species lay eggs, whereas other give birth to the young ones. So these are the four characteristics of animal. Students, go through the chapter, read it carefully twice. In next period, we will deal with the question answers. Thank you.